What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. And for this video, we are creating this look right here. And the palette that I ended up using for this look is the Slayer palette from ISlay Cosmetics. It's pretty bomb. All the shadows are very blendable, and I had a really great time trying to create this look. I'm really in a colorful kick, but yes, this palette is awesome. The Power shadow did give me quite some trouble. It was very hard to blend, and it was picking the shadow back up, so it was very splotchy, but I ended up working it out. So I just had to use this shadow as a pigment versus a pressed eyeshadow, which all of these colors are pressed eyeshadows. But yes, this look is the look that I created. And if you guys want to see how I created this look and you are interested in seeing the process, then keep watching. Alright, you guys, that is the finished look. And here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I think this look was pretty easy to create. And if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, follow me at my IG right here, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And as always, adios.